As you can see, these old hose reels are a real pain. I can't even get it to unwind right. Now with the Giraffe Tools hose reel, it's easy. You just pull and it unwinds and retracts smoothly. No hassle at all. Now Giraffe Tools sent me this hose reel for an honest review, but I have no bias in this. No money was exchanged. But I must say it's packed well and at 28.4 pounds is sturdy but still easy to manage. Now let's get it installed. Installation is simple. I'm using the template from the manual to mark the holes for drilling. It makes the process quick and easy. Now if you're installing on concrete or brick, it's recommended to use a hammer drill like I'm doing here. This makes drilling into the brick much easier and faster. You can use the included hardware to mount the bracket or do what I'm doing. I'm using Tapcon screws because I'm pretty familiar with them. Now mount the reel into the bracket. The 180-degree swivel lets you easily move it left to right for better reach. Finally, connect the hose and attach the nozzle, and that's it. Installation is complete. So overall, this is a great product. The 130-foot hose is more than enough to cover most yards and lawns. Just buying a hose that long itself can get expensive, so having it included with the reel adds real value. Plus, the easy-to-use, smooth retracting system makes it a great choice for anyone.